channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect your Replit with GitHub account. So guys, if you are just creating your project and if you want to save your project on the GitHub, so guys you just follow this video, and in this video we will see how you connect your Replit project to the GitHub. For this guys, first of all simply open your Replit AI. After that guys, here you see the option of GitHub, but when you close it, so now it show tools and filters, tools and files. So just click on it, and in the search icon simply search the GitHub. Okay, after that here it open, and here it shows that your Replit isn't your initial commit, and here it's at the API, it's 12 minutes ago. So here it shows all your commit. Now you go for the settings. In the setting icon size guys, here you see the of connections. In the connections we have Bitbucket, GitLab and the GitHub. Now simply click the option of sign in. After that sign in, you just wait and connect to the GitHub. Now guys, when you give the authorized and access to the file permissions, so here you see that use like send the mail via code, verify mail. So it send the mail to your mail account, so you just enter the code. So just wait a second. Okay, now it send me the code is 4050, then 6343. Now you simply go and verify your account. Okay, after verify, it's connect successfully and active. And guys, this is your GitHub, and now you go back. Okay, create remote, choose GitHub. This is your repository name and create repository on GitHub. And here please select the private initially until your project is not ready. And guys, here you see that created repository on the GitHub. Confirm this session. Now whenever you doing some changes in your current project, then it automatically commit in your GitHub account. Okay, now guys, here if you want to download your application code into the offline mode, so simply go to the GitHub option, and guys here you go for the dashboard. In the dashboard guys, find your Cricut repository. This is your Cricut repository, and simply go here, and here this is your repository. I think currently there is no files in it, so we need to commit the files. Okay, so here you push the branch and the main origin, so it's start pushing all the content of your project. So it's just take few time according to your project size. Okay, now guys, here you see pull and push and sync changes. Now you go here and refresh it once, and guys, this is your whole code issues here. And guys, if you want to download this code, so you just go here and guys simply click the option of download zip file, and you use all the code in your local system also. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.